Alright guys, welcome back to Perez Capital. As you guys know, I'm in phase 2 of the My Forex Funds Challenge. So I'm going to be going over what happened last week in my account and what I'm going to be looking for next week. So if we get right into it, you guys can see obviously the account has 5 total trading days, profit target 2,000, actual profit only $300, which is kind of bad. I'm upset about that, but it happens. The daily reports, let's go to the beginning. So on the Monday, we had the account brought up to 20,300, had a bad day on the Tuesday with a $500 loss. You can see it was down in drawdown. Then the account just stayed up, and right now it's just at 20,300. And like I said, not too proud about it because I posted on Instagram and you guys saw that I had like a big profit in a trade, but I got too greedy, didn't close it out, and it hit my stop loss. So yeah, we'll just go over that and what happened. So if we go into the chart right here, I'm going to show you guys what I looked into and what I'm expecting to happen. So obviously I told you guys I was bullish in EURUSD. I think I recorded a video about that with one of the trades. I'm going to post that here if I have it. So as you guys can see, I was bullish in EURUSD. So you can see we had a huge uptrend here. And we were just consolidating for a bit. You can see you had a nice double bottom right here, right? It didn't touch the low, so most of you guys could have entered here, gotten your take profit here, whatever, right? And like I said, I like to draw my ranges, go up to the higher time frame. You can see here's a level right there. Look at that nice bounce. Level right there. Another level right here, right? Another level right here. Okay, yeah, so you guys get it, right? So if we go back down to the 1 hour, you can see this is where I drew my box, just about where these levels are. And I don't like to draw my box here because it's just like give it more room, so to the bottom of the lowest wick of this area. So we're stuck in this area. And usually when it's in this area, I don't like to trade right away. So I wouldn't have taken this double bottom because that's not my style. I wait until it breaks on the 1 hour. And so I would have taken here and I put my stop loss down here. It's kind of a big stop loss, but it's more secure, right, as to what's going to happen. And then the next day, it was still in this little range right here. So what happened was I waited till it pulled back here. I entered a trade here actually initially, or I was here somewhere here, yeah, and my stop loss was right about here. I lost that trade. And then I entered another trade here. And the thing was, I didn't follow my rules. And this is why I had the bad day, which was the Tuesday. And instead, my rule would have been like put the stop loss low down here, but what happened was I put my stop loss right at this low, and as you can see, if we go down to the 15-minute time frame, look what happens. Of course, before the huge push to the upside, what happens, comes down, takes out all the stop losses right here, and my initial stop loss would have been around here. So I mean, like, of course I was a bit annoyed. It sucks, it's stupid, but it happens. Yeah, my take profit was about here, so it would have been about a 125 risk reward, but I lost that trade. I'm not gonna like tell you guys, oh yeah, I'm making bare profit. No, like it happens, right? I lost that trade, and that's unfortunate, right? Lesson learned. Pay attention next time. So yeah, so that's what happened on the Tuesday and the Monday. The Monday trade, luckily, I had a big stop loss, so I still profited here. It was around here, take profit, so it was kind of bad. 1 to 2 risk reward. It's not good, but it's fine. Yeah, kind of annoyed about with this trade. It would have been like a nice 1 to 6, would have passed that challenge there, but it's fine. The next day, what happened? Like I drew my level here. Again, what happened? Look, close to the level. You want to see a rejection. Comes down. It's close enough. Has a nice rejection. Put the stop loss low. Wait for it to come back up. And this is the trade that you guys saw with the $900 profit. It was like right about here. I filmed it, so I'll show you guys that right now on my phone. So yeah, as you can see, it was about a $900 profit with here. But what ended up happening was there was another level right here, I'm pretty sure, somewhere around here. Let me go up to the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, Yeah, so as you can see, right around here was another level. Yeah, it was this level right here. So let me bring this down a bit. It's the 4-hour time frame, right? And what was happening was I didn't like the rejections. It was just having a lot of like rejections to the downside. So I was thinking, yeah, it's either gonna come back down here, which it did, or it's gonna come around here. So what happened was I went to the 15-minute time frame, started look at all these rejections, right? Rejection. It didn't want to pass the level, so I put my stop loss just below here, and ended up in profit. So yeah, the week wasn't too good. Only what, $300 profit? That's not good. Pretty disappointed with this trade. Should have been a 1 to 6, but I mean, nothing I can do now, right? It's in the past. So yeah. So and then the Friday, you saw that I had this small loss. What happened was, usually I don't trade Friday, but because it was a bad week, I got into my emotions too much, and I saw there was a rejection here on this level, and I entered, and my take profit was down here, but of course, market pushed it up, the euro pushed it up here, and it hit my stop loss. So yeah, so right now my prediction, I'm going to tell you guys, just so you guys can see, it's not 100% guaranteed, but it's what I'm looking at right now. The Friday, it had a rejection right here, but I don't think it's going to instantly push up, and if it does, I'm looking for a break above this level. If it breaks this level, I'm telling you guys right now, in the 1 hour, then I'm looking to put my stop loss right down here, and then just ride it up maybe 50 pips. And then, what else? You guys can look at this, it's like free signals, right? I'm looking for also, so either two things can happen. I'm looking for it to just have a nice big break above here, stop loss down here, or I'm looking for it to come back with the pullback into this zone right here, and then a nice push to the upside. But like I said, it's nothing guaranteed. It's just what I'm looking to towards for what will happen. So yeah, let's go over to the USDCHF chart. Alright, so let's go over USDCHF. So let's draw the levels right here. There's a level right there, another level right here. Right, so these are just the main levels right now. The other ones don't really matter. So let me show you guys what I'm looking at, what will happen. So I turn off my cam just so you guys can see the USDCHF since it's bearish. So like I said, the levels right here, you can see there's a level right there, 4-hour level, another 4-hour level right there, 4-hour level right there. So we go back. Obviously, if you draw these levels before, you can see it's clear what's happening, right? Comes back here, rejection right here, you would sell. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. So if you guys are trading USDCHF, look for it to come back for a pullback right here, and then write it down for another bearish momentum. Yeah, and then write it down for sells. Look for sells if you're in USDCHF. Don't look for buys unless it breaks this level hard, and then look for a nice pullback here and then push to the upside. But unless it breaks this second level here, don't look for buys. Okay, yeah, so that's about it for this week. You guys know what to look for if you're trading Euro USD. Pull back here, push up, or break above here, enter the trade, and USDCHF. So hope you guys have a good trading week. Hope I have a good trading week. Hope I pass the challenge. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure to subscribe if you want more of this content, right? Alright, see you guys.